Hey everyone, it is that time for our Tara's must-have. I had this whole exciting grand entrance and it is pouring here on the East Coast. Not raining, but pouring. But I do have some of my holiday decorations out, feeling very festive as we're going to show you our holiday must-have. Who's all set and ready to see that? Hey, April. Hi, Matthew. We are super excited. Everything holiday. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing my elf getup. Love that. And you're going to see two other characters. Well, you're going to see a lot of characters, but you're going to see some of the characters dressed up. Hey, Megan. Hi, Joanne. Hi, Stacy. Hey, Julie. How are you? We are celebrating Christmas here, and we are super excited to share with you our must-have. We are in our home. Full disclosure, we have 4 dogs who at any given point will bark and go crazy. But before we get... Linda, it's 94 here. Linda, where are you? It is raining and dreary. Hello, Noelle. Noelle knows because she's on the East Coast. Hey, Kali. Hi, Marley. Hi, everyone. Hi, April. So it is our must-have. And as you know, we have only done 2 others and both sold out beyond quickly. So just want to give you the heads up there. But would you like to meet our must-have? Would you like to follow me in and see our Winter Whimsy Wonderland? Because we have it. Welcome. Oh, and Carter's there at the door greeting all of us. Welcome to our Winter Whimsy Wonderland. We couldn't be more excited to share with you. Even our Nutcracker, he's excited to share with you all of the amazing things that we have in store. So without further ado, let me walk over and introduce you to our incredible Tara's must-have. I have to tell you, we have returning favorites. This has been an iconic piece for us that we've only done a handful of times. Julie's Team Posy. I hear you, Julie. Me too. Hello again, Beth. How are you? Hi, Denise, everyone. I know. Stop. To the almost 500 people who have jumped on to check out our to it. Okay, so we have a returning favorite. Paul just named him. His name is Gumdrop, and he's got the adorable, got his floral lace, old world accents trimmed all around. I'm so excited. I'm getting choked up. Here is, of course, one of our newbies. This is our adorable Nutcracker. If you love the reds, the greens, if maybe you've had the honor of going into New York City and seeing the Rockefeller tree and seeing the Rockettes, you know that they are such a staple and something I know many of you love to collect. Then another returning favorite, and by the way, he needs a name. He needs a name like ASAP. There is our adorable snowman. Hey, Rosalie, I have the gingerbread from 2017. Yes, we brought him back and a couple of more friends because who doesn't need friends at Christmas time? So there is, of course, our beautiful snowman. Let us know what you think his name should be. That would be amazing. We are just hearing that the snowman is by far our most popular. So I wouldn't wait on that. We're going to show you the magic because these aren't candles. These aren't just figurines. Oh, there's so much more. And look how beautiful this is. Our tree, which we debuted in a cookie jar. We did a deep teapot ornaments that we love so much in our old world and our floral lace. Absolutely stunning. Here's what the magic is inside. I'm going to turn our little gingerbread around because these are your baking buddies. These are your Fab Four and friends of ours that they're going to be picking up. All 4 of them because they're so stinking cute. So the first measurement, we're going to give that a turn around, is actually going to be your 1/4 of a cup. Then you're going to have your 1/3 of a cup. Then you're going to have your 1/2 of a cup. Oh, and the bottom, that's your 1 cup. And when we turn him around, give a little sneak peek on the back, you have your 1 cup measurement. Everything is going to nest inside for under $20. You have the stinking cutest measuring cups, the most adorable entertaining figurines, and the best friends that anybody could ask for around the holidays. So whether it's your gingerbread, whether it's your Nutcracker and favorite, or it's that tree, we have you covered here. Okay, where are they? Go over to Temp-tations.com. They are exclusively over there, and you're not going to want to miss them. Okay, so let's move on into our dining room. How's the connection, everybody? Some of you are saying you're losing a little sound. Bear with us. Little technical difficulty, a la Facebook. But hello, Larry. Hi, Tina. Dana, they're perfect. Thanks. His name should be Burl. Oh my gosh, that used him as our snowman, just as a little centertaining piece. So look at my Winter Whimsy collection, whether it's the candles, whether it's the various pieces, the name card holders. Oh, Ed will make an appearance. There's no doubt about it. I know all of you are asking about him. Hey, Sheila. Hi, Sandra. How are you? Hi, Hope. Sydney the snowman. Hope, by the way, that would be in honor of my father-in-law. So that is an amazing idea. I love that. Yes, Sheila says it should be Burl, like Burl Ives. I believe it was my husband who said earlier that there's no one who has a voice like that man. I have to say, I agree. Hello, Valerie. Holy cow, that's a pretty table. Oh, thank you. For me, entertaining you have and that you love, and incorporating them into some of your other pieces. So what I love to start with is tying some bows that honestly you can get in a craft store on the back of your chairs, to then setting the table with your favorites, whether it's your favorite linens, maybe something that's been passed down to you, maybe characters, but in case you don't want them right on the table, look what we did here. We put them in our beautiful cloche with, of course, some fairy lights. And now tucked in a corner, they just add that holiday charm, that holiday cheer to any room. So whether you love to go all out and decorate for the holidays, or you just want to add some accents, this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to walk you on over into another room in just a minute. I'm waiting for one of my helpers to get over there because you don't want to miss this. So whether you have your Fab Four and two of them here, or you have two of them as your little centerpieces, how fun is that? So let's not forget, oh, there's Carter. And look who made an appearance. Santa Claus is here. He always kind of having a little beverage.
What's wrong with Santa having a drink?
Absolutely nothing.
Santa is a person too.
That's right. And look what we did in here. Look how great. We have our gorgeous tree, and we used all of the cups there for our little bar. So whether you want to make a little cocktail and add some rosemary, maybe you're having martinis and olives, maybe you don't drink and everybody just has their flavored water. How fun to put all of the little accoutrements out in our measuring cups. So again, think of them as mini prep bowls, think of them as mini servers, and yes, of course, hi honey.
Ho, ho, ho.
And not just is Santa here, but Santa's reindeer is here. Right? Tip that hat forward. Like, she's such a good sport.
Yeah.
She's way cuter than Wimbley. I think you all can agree. She's way cuter than Wimbley.
Cheers.
Oh, they're cheering. Let me get back to that. Hi, Carter. Hi, Santa. Everybody saying hi. So what is everybody thinking about our adorable Fab Four, our baking buddies, our cute figurines? Look what we did here, where we have, of course, our adorable little Nutcracker, and he's watching over our chip and dip. He's watching over our cute little charcuterie board. He's watching over all of the festivity. You guys are so stinking cute. Can you tell that we have a lot of fun here? Because we do. Lisa has a new buddy who had a Santa costume, but he just would not play. There's Team Fozzie. We heard a call out for him. Hey, Foz, say hi. You guys are hilarious. You know what? This is what the holidays are all about. Creating those memories, creating those traditions. I look so forward to getting all of these pieces out, remembering all of my childhood Christmases, holidays, time spent with family and friends, and truly at the end of the day, whether you have a table full of gifts and presents and things, it doesn't matter. As long as you are surrounded by your family and your friends and those that you love and mean the most, that is what is all about. So we had super fun getting dressed up in our little elf outfit. And if you wonder if I'm sweating, it's actually unbelievable. Lisa, as of course, our adorable reindeer, and the man of the hour,
Santa. Let's get right there.
hashtag Santa. Okay, absolutely. So we are super excited to keep sharing with you not only our home, but some of the ways we love to decorate, whether it's putting a wreath up on, of course, that beautiful mirror, or of course, just accenting some of our little things. So this, of course, as many of you know, the cardinal, so incredibly special to my heart, special to me, especially around the holidays. In honor of my dad, he visits me with this. I, of course, have a beautiful throw and a sentiment of let it snow. Now, I know many of you probably are not in the mood for some snow, and I totally understand that. So I wanted to also share with you, of course, things I love to do. Throw pillows that are super fun, that kind of just accent any room. Also, of course, some of the different things here. But I want to remind you really quick before we go any further.
Hey, can I interrupt you for a
yes.
second? You know I got to come over.
Here she is, the reindeer of oh, that's me. I actually put it right, now I'm close. That was an extreme close-up.
You know,
Talk to us.
updates.
Go ahead, please.
Snowman is in the lead.
Okay.
But these are going very quickly.
Okay.
So I think we need to show them again.
Okay.
Because everybody wants to see them again.
Should I go to the front room? All right, let's go to the front room. Okay, before they go, we do want to just show you really quick your baking buddies and, of course, our Fab Four, our returning favorites, and 2 brand new ones. So starting, of course, Christmas tree. As we showed you earlier, the cups are nestled right down inside. 1/3 of a cup. We have your 1/2 of a cup, and then the base, of course, is going to be that full 1 cup capacity. Then we're going to have, as Rosalia said, her gingerbread that she picked up in 2017. Oh, bring him back. Love that. Oh, Rosalia said she got all of hers. You need the Fab Four. I'm telling you, they're so stinking cute. Look at that nutcracker. I have to say, out of all of them, the workmanship, the detail, all of the hand painting, everything about them is just beautiful. And then, of course, we have your snowman. He's holding the tree. He's got the cardinal on his head. And as I mentioned before, there are all your cups on the inside, from the 1/4 of a cup to your 1/3 of a cup base. How fun is that? So again, not only, but it also becomes a way to entertain. It becomes a way to layer in characters and whimsy and have some fun. Okay, so Lisa just wanted me to remind you of all of those because they are going very quickly. Our other 2, and I know some of you were very disappointed to miss out on those, but I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of our tree and some of the things that we love to decorate with. So first and foremost, that is my dad as Santa. I look forward to hanging that ornament up every day. He was such a hoot, such a character. There's just not enough time for me to ever explain to you truly how big his heart was and just how much he meant to me. And then, of course, he got my mom and I a frog ornament one year, and we were like, a frog ornament. But I will say I smile every time I put it on the tree. And then, of course, I always have cardinals, and you'll see them all peeking out no matter which way you're looking. Red bows. This time we did a big one right at the top. My mom actually made this ornament, and we made a lot of ornaments in our Girl Scout troop growing up. My grandmother gave me, of course, this great little sweater because she knows I love clothes. So when I start to decorate the tree and Ed and I gather all the ornaments, including, of course, our marriage, our first Christmas together, we love decorating all of these from our travel. I don't know about you guys, but whenever we go away somewhere, my mom started this tradition, we get an ornament from that place. And then every year when we put them together and we put them on the tree, it's just that great of a memory. Then also, I want to share another thing with you. Our Lennox nativity scene. So my mom and dad started this for me many, many years ago, and I have continued to collect all of the pieces and the joy I have in putting all of them out. And I have to say, friends of mine, Mark Charles Masilli, which many of you know, he found so many that had been retired, and he went on like eBay and got them for me for one Christmas. And I just have to tell you, I absolutely love it. All the way down to these little characters that, of course, were gifts to my parents when we were younger. And then I inherited them, of course, and now I put them out at my Christmas. So just some of the things that we love to decorate, some of the things that we pop around the house that bring us so much joy. I know we are getting very limited. I'll give you another sneak peek on this. Remember, go to Temp-tations exclusively available there. And just a reminder also of the Fab Four cups, whether it's your snowman measuring cups, whether it's those adorable, so stinking cute nutcracker, or the tree that I think just belongs in everybody's home. It is adorable. And they're your baking buddies. They're your Fab Four. They're under $20. Make sure you go over to Temptations.com to check those out. Some of our other Whimsy collection are available on QVC. And then look what we even did over here. We did a hot chocolate bar where we have layered in some of our pieces. There are our cups where now we have candy canes. We have this adorable tree, something I had when I was growing up. However, if you notice, all of these are cardinals. How about I recreate that? Would that not be something stunning for all of us to have in our home? I think he found this at some kind of vintage shop somewhere, and he was so excited to give it to me, and I will tell you, I absolutely love it. Okay, so without further ado, oh, Santa's joined us. How about some cookies? Y'all want some cookies?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Lisa will never turn down cookies. So how great ingredients right into we're using our mixer right here. All your flour, just dump and go. Look how easy that is. Everything going, the traditions of the holidays, all the different things that we love to make. And I have to say, I love to make cookies. Lise, how about I give you the phone?
Yeah.
And I'm going to scoot over
Okay.
and go to the oven. As soon as I find my oven mitts, where did I put them?
In front of your husband.
Hey, Santa, can I have those oven mitts?
Have you been a good girl?
I have been you tell me, have I been a good girl?
I think you can have your oven mitts.
I can have my oven mitts? How about we have some cookies? You guys want to decorate some cookies?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm going to turn the mixer off real quick. Let's do that.
Oh,
And
little
then
details.
Minor details. Let's go over to the oven where we have our mitts and towels. Remember, go to Temptations.com to pick up our must-have. Oh, look at this, everybody. Santa, don't go too far. You're going to have a cookie. You're going to have a cookie. That was not the cookie. Here are the cookies. Coming on over here. How sweet is this? All right, so I'll take that back, Lise. Who's ready to bake some cookies? Who's ready to decorate some cookies? I got my little piping ready here. Look at how beautiful these cookies are.
Hold on.
How's that? Oh, wait. Are we decorating?
Sure, well,
What? Wait. What?
Come on, do you think Santa got this body and not even cookies?
Oh, that's so adorable. Adorable. Hey, cheers, you guys. So I hope you had fun checking out our Tara's must-have. We certainly had fun. Welcome to our Winter Whimsy Wonderland, our Fab Four characters, and all of the holiday spirit. We love for you to layer all of these pieces in. Yes, they're measuring cups. What a great gift. A great gift for under that creates, of course, all of those great memories. We have all of the characters ready for you, but I know we are getting extremely limited. Our iconic characters in a special twist of our snowman, who needs a name, the nutcracker, who we'll get to, new gumdrop. You all named him, of course, our adorable ginger tree. So whether you're layering them in and they're sitting in the foyer when you walk in, or as we showed you here, they're in your dining room table, they're in your closets, they're in your bar, you're baking with them. That is what Temptations is all about. So go over to Temptations.com and you can check out the Fab Four. And I highly recommend that you get them because they're amazing. Okay, thank you everybody for tuning in to our Tara's must-haves. You'll see us do more and more of these. And of course, we're always interested in your comments. So send us what you'd love to see. And thank you for taking a little peek into our holiday home and the way we love to decorate and the traditions that we've created. Okay, bye everyone.